Yes, I take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone. Please, if you are new here, tap the subscribe button and the notification bell such that every time we upload our videos, you're the first person to watch and comment. Yeah, today, this is where we have reached with our agri-tourist farm in Western region. Roughly, this is the progress of our goat structure. Though I told you we have a lot of work here, we have also to do for dairy, we have to also do for hay and silage. So just wait as I will be sharing with you our progress on each and every setup that we do. That is our structure there. It is now 80% done, though we still have some things to do. You could still see the floor down there is not okay. We shall clear each and every grass that is inside there, and we see that we set it up very well. So now roughly that's it. That is the structure. That is how we are really doing. Let us go into the interior of our structure. You'll be seeing different partitions. Remember, I told you that this is zero-grazing unit, whereby we have to separate. Some goats have not to mix with others. This structure is big, so that means we have to put partitions for some particular animals, like for the nursing mothers, like for the isolation. We don't want them to mix with our healthy animals. That's why you are also seeing different exit doors. Those ones will help us for they help in access to each partition that is there. Yeah, as you can see, that is our interior of our mega structure here. Yeah, this work is done by Int'l Construction and Farm Consultants Limited. We have our professionals. We train our professionals to do such work. We don't just go to the village and get carpenters, because for sure they cannot do such. This work needs a lot of art, which has to be trained by someone. Yeah, that's it. That's the structure, my dear. You wait for other updates, the feeding troughs and others. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching Int'l Construction.